Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Garrick, and this is the Woodshed. Hey guys, before we start, I just wanted to thank you for watching my video. So today I wanted to do a kind of like a product review. This is something that I had never really thought of. So as you can see, I have this beautiful 4Runner. I've actually done some stuff to it since this picture was taken. I wanted to talk about one of the mods I got recently. I've never really cared a ton about how it looks on the inside. I have the cloth seats, kind of just the basic package. It's the SR5. Let's be honest, I couldn't really afford anything else when I bought it, and 4Runners are really expensive. So now I'm kind of thinking I want to spruce things up, make it a little bit better, feel a little nicer. So I picked up the shift knob. This is actually from this company right here, Taco Vinyl. I actually do their install videos. Brandon, the owner, is a good friend of mine, and he was showing me this shift knob, and I was like, I gotta get one. So he said this is the TRD Pro shift knob. When I first looked at it, I thought, well, this basically looks like the other one. It's just got the red stitching, because I don't really pay attention a ton to the inside. When you hold it up next to the other one, there's actually a pretty big difference. I'm gonna go grab that other one. So this is the other one. I actually didn't know how cheap this plastic looked and felt until I took it off. You know, it's kind of just it's like a pleather, fake plasticky leather wrap around it. It's just super basic. It's just kind of, you know, straight up and down almost, and nothing fancy. But then you hold it up to this one, and man, you can really see the size difference on these. I think it's gonna cut my hand, it's gonna feel a lot better. When I drive, I like to rest my hand on it and drive with my left hand. I'm not sure why. I used to drive manual a lot more, and I don't really anymore, but kind of just a habit, I guess. Anyway, it's a super simple install. I just took this one off. You just unscrew it. I thought the install would be a little bit more in depth. Brandon was like, no, you just twist it off. Yeah, evidently you just twist it off. So I'll show you that real quick, and I'll show you how to install this new TRD Pro shift knob and let you know what I think about it. All right, so just to show you, I put this old original stock one back on, just to show you how it twists off. Like I said, I thought it was gonna be a little harder than this. That's what she said. It really wasn't. You just twist it right off. So then you take your replacement shift knob, put it on there, and you just spin it until it's tight. This is literally the easiest mod I've done, and I've done stickers, which I don't know if stickers count as a mod. I'll count them because I haven't done that many mods yet. It's always cool to have a modded 4Runner. And yeah, you just get it on there till it's tight, like that. So just resting my hand on it, this feels so much better than the other one. And this one's just kind of straight up and down. There's nothing really to grab with your fingers. You just kind of can rest your hand on top. On here, it's like this padded leather up here, and then it kind of swoops underneath right here. In my opinion, it's just more comfortable. It also looks a lot cooler than this one. I mean, look at these things side to side. My initial impression of it is that it's super easy to install. Even I could do it myself. That's kind of a high bar. You don't need any instructions or anything.
Follow CDC guidelines.
Overall, it looks a ton better, in my opinion. Also, if you don't have the same opinion as me, you're wrong. And it just feels better to rest my hand on. I think it's just something it's simple to add, just a nice little touch. I'm excited to have it in there. I'll leave the link down below to Taco Vinyl's website, so you can pick one of these up on your own if you want to. Put this nice little addition into your rig. If you guys like 4Runner stuff, off-roading stuff, I'm gonna keep doing videos on the upgrades that I do to the 4Runner. I really enjoy that. Maybe you guys do too. If you do, go ahead and drop a like down below. I don't only do car stuff. Look back at some of my other videos, you'll see some stuff explode. If you guys like a variety of car content, cars, trucks, guns, maybe some engineering in there, just drop a comment down below and let me know some of your favorite mods that either you've done to your vehicle or that I should do to mine. Because really, I'm just starting out. It's just a blank canvas. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.